In the digital age, technology intertwines with our daily lives. A shadow lurks within our online interactions. Word can wound, actions can harm, leaving lasting scars in the virtual world, and it's called cyberbullying. Cyberbullying. It is a form of harassment or bullying that takes place using electronic devices and technology. It can occur through various digital platforms such as social media, text messages, online forums, gaming platforms, and emails. It involves the use of harmful or threatening behavior to target individuals with the intent to cause harm, embarrassment, or distress, and it's called cyberbullying. Over 60% of children and 40% of adults have been targeted by cyberbullies. And if you look at the trends, those numbers are likely to keep going up in the future. A generation ago, bullying was an exclusively in-person activity. Today, bullies can reach their targets 24/7 through social media. Cyberbullying can cause intense mental, emotionally, and physical trauma. Both social media platforms and lawmakers have taken steps to address cyberbullying with varying degrees of success. Despite their efforts, most people think not enough is being alone to prevent cyberbullying. How did cyberbullying affect you?
I lost self confidence.
I always scared of what others think of me.
I isolated myself from the world.
I can no longer do the things I'm passionate about. I get depressed.
It integrates my dignity. Stop cyberbullying. Tips to help combat cyberbullying. Number 1. Think before you type. Before posting or sending a message, ask yourself if it is kind and respectful. If not, reconsider sending it. Number 2. Respect others' feelings. Remember that there is a real person on the other side of the screen. Treat others with the same respect you would want for yourself. 3. Be an upstander, not a bystander. If you see someone being cyberbullied, speak up and support the person being targeted. Your voice can make a difference. 4. Protect your personal information. Keep your passwords safe and avoid sharing personal information online to prevent cyberbullying. Number 5. Seek help. If you are a victim of cyberbullying, don't suffer in silence. Talk to a trusted adult, teacher, or counselor for support. Remember, we all play a role in creating a positive online environment. Let's spread kindness and respect in the digital world.